My name is Philip Bloom and I'm a filmmaker. I make all sorts of different types of projects, but mostly focusing on documentaries. I'm often out filming on my own, and so the kit that I have needs to be portable. I've got to have the essentials, and those are going to be my tripod, camera, lenses, filters, and a monitor. Ever since smartphones came out, I've always wanted to be able to plug it into my camera and use it as a monitor. And finally, with the Xperia PRO, I can actually do that. The key thing is the phone has an HDMI input. So it's taking the HDMI signal out of your camera and displaying it just like any other monitor would. Every other monitor that I've used is bigger, thicker, heavier, requires external batteries. Having something which is so light and so small does make a huge difference when you're filming. And of course, it's not an extra piece of kit. Because it's a mobile phone, you've always got it on you. The screen is a lovely high resolution and supports HDR input. Things look really crisp on there. When I used to work in TV news, going live was quite complicated, and you have to have either a satellite truck or a plug-in point. And then people started using mobile phone cameras to go live. Here, we have the combination of both. I can have my proper camera here, which is the A7S III, plugged into my Xperia PRO, so I can go live anywhere I want and have that lovely high quality. It's really freeing. We are now live from the South Bank. I'm going live through the Sony A7S III and the Xperia PRO, connected up via 5G. For people used to doing lives in their studios and offices, to be able to take this setup and just go anywhere they want and get that quality is a really revolutionary thing. For me, the Xperia PRO is much more than a phone because of the quality of the screen and that ability to go live. It is a professional video tool that you're actually going to use for years.